My name is Ibukun Igbinosa. I'm the HR manager for the Place Nigeria, and we just finished the WorkQ training for some of our workforce. And I must say that the training was very, very instructive. We learned how, the journey through your personal relevance, work relevance, and then how that dovetails into affecting being able to give effective customer service. And I must say that working through all the parts of the training, I've been able to learn a great deal. I've been able to learn about conflict management. I've been able to learn about how to better manage the people, my internal and external customers. And I must say that I believe that this training will have a positive impact on the organization as a whole, on the staff, and on our customers, because I believe that one of the tools that we've learned today is how to deliver effective customer service. And I must say that if an organization is able to get that right, then of course you will have the best customers, both internal and external customers. And yes, of course, I would recommend this training to anyone who is planning on improving the customer service delivery, both for their internal customers and the external customers. So well done, free to go. Thank you.